Okay, guys. Let's start with adding vectors. Let's say I have v1 and v2 like this. Let's say this is v2. Okay. If I want to add them geometrically, I have to rearrange them head v1 into the tail head into the head into head to tail, right? This is v2, right? The resultant will start from the tail of the first one to the head of the last one. This is v1 plus v2. Okay. Now, if I have or if I want to find v2 minus v1, actually in vectors we don't have subtraction or algebraic subtraction. We have to rearrange this as v2 plus minus v1. Okay. In vectors, minus v1 means what? In the opposite direction. So this is minus v1, opposite in the direction, right? Minus v1, it's in the opposite direction of v1. Then v2 will be drawn at the head of the v1. This is v2, head to tail again. And the resultant will be what? This is the v2 minus what? v1. Okay. Now we can use this to answer the question here. Here we are given two velocities, initial velocity, right? This is the initial velocity. Let's say this is u, and this is what? V. Okay. We were asked to determine the change in velocity. So the change in velocity is v minus u. If I want to find the geometric vector sum of v minus u, it's v plus minus u. This is the vector sum of v plus minus u is equivalent to v minus u. So I have to reverse the direction of u in this way, right? This is minus u, and I have to write then v, which is the final velocity, this way. So the resultant will be from what? Tail of the first one to the head of what? Of the last one. Let me repeat this again. Okay, guys. Again. We are asked about change in velocity, so v minus u. So we cannot, in vector sum, it's v plus minus u. So I have to reverse what? U. I have to reverse u. U was in this direction, which is east. Now it becomes what? West. Then at the head of u, I have to draw v. This is how can we add two vectors, right? Geometrically. Then the resultant will be from where? From the tail of the first one to the head of what? Of the last one. This is the resultant. So this is v plus minus u, or v minus u. Okay. Thank you.